Hey guys, it's me. I'm alive. Sorry this has been taking forever. I just never got motivated enough to get ready and film and stuff, even though I absolutely loved everything I got in my Ipsy. And if you're wondering why I didn't do June Ipsy, it's because June was crazy. I took a summer class. It was my birthday. Lots of stuff going on, beginning of summer, all that stuff. So I was gonna do a tipsy Ipsy, which I don't know if anybody's done it, but I wanted to get tipsy and unbox my Ipsy. If you guys want to see that, leave a comment down below or like the video, so I may do one for next month maybe. Well, this month, since it's already August and I still have my June bag here with me. But I'm excited to open this and show you what I got, because in June the products were okay. But July was when I was like, ooh, these are really nice products. Like, I do have to talk about them. And I just saw what I'm getting for my August, and I'm really excited. So please stay tuned for that. Some products I did redeem with my points, and 5 products which I got I'll tell you what I got. This is a BKR Paris Water Balm, and it's this glossy lip treatment. And if you saw my last video, which was like for my class that I took for summer, we had to do a YouTube video, so I really want to make it something related that I could actually post it on this channel. So I use this because I talked about my skincare routine, and I couldn't do anything makeup related because the teacher said that I have to do something that can relate to everybody, but guys wear makeup too, but that's not enough, which is sad because I know some of them are shy, but they shouldn't be. Makeup is art. It is a new product, they said, and this is, I think, their first product. It's tiny, it's cute, you could keep it in your bag. It's really thick though, you can feel it on my finger. I like it. It's really nice. I love the packaging. It's very bougie skincare-like. So I'll be definitely using this because I do need some hydration on my lips. And this, I believe I redeemed for points. It's this face scrub from Aphrodite, and it's olive oil infused. And I haven't used this yet. It's a little different. It's white with like little beads in it. I can't smell anything, and it also has aloe vera and St. John's wort oil, whatever that is. These are the ingredients in case you're curious. They are a lot. And yeah, this was a few points, and I had no idea, but if you referred your friends, if you had the free bag giveaway, you still got 250 points. And I don't know if your friend got any, because I know I gave out a few bags and I had like thousands of points. I'm like, damn. It's because I gave out some bags, but I think they started at the very end, and then they stopped giving out free bags. Oh, I didn't even talk about the bag. So yeah, I got points from that. But here is the bag, and if you saw my video a few videos back, it was a Jeffree Star mini haul, and I wore this bodysuit, which I'll throw a picture up. This bag came, and it looks just like my bodysuit, so I might match it up. I have been using my Ipsy bags lately, so that makes me happy. But it's weird because it doesn't say it on here. And for August, you know, when your regals are up and everything's like right there when the month starts, it just says August 2018. There's no theme, which is, I'm like, what? Oh yeah, this month's theme is nothing but water, I just remembered. And this just has like some refreshing tips for the summer, some facts. So yeah, I think I redeemed this for my points because I was very curious what this was. This is a Propolis 80 sleeping pack, which I don't know what it is, but I think it's, you open it up and you put it on your face before you're gonna sleep, like a night mask, something. And then it says, directions: after cleansing and toning, apply an appropriate amount to the face and neck. Tap gently to aid absorption, using once or twice a week. So yeah, it's basically a sleeping mask that you don't put on every day, and you don't have to wash off, just absorbs in your skin. And I was just intrigued by this because I am running out of my sleeping mask, so I needed to try something, and what better than trying something small from Ipsy that I technically got for free. And this item everybody was pretty excited for is this Smashbox concealer, and it's full size, which is awesome because I heard this retails for like $24 something. And it's a 24-hour wear It's called Studio Skin and it's waterproof. Nice. It is my shade because Ipsy always asks you what your skin tone is when you're signing up. And then this is light medium, which is perfect. And let me swatch it. I like the applicator. And I've never really like opened this, so that can work for me. Oh, it looks more medium than I thought it was gonna look. So that's good because on the bottle it looks hella white, but when you see it's a little darker on here. So I'm pretty excited for that. I already applied concealer, even though it never conceals anything. Next is this night thing also. It's from Josie Maran and it's whipped argan oil face butter. And apply to face day and night after cleansing. And it gives you intense hydration and it's tiny. Now I can finally try these things out since I didn't want to try them because I always leave them somewhere and I still need to keep everything together in the bag to do this video. Last two items. The first one is a vintage gloss by Jessica Lipskind. And it's in the color Papaya and it's a sparkling lip gloss. And I've been obsessed with lip gloss lately. So this is like the new Colourpop wand. It's one of those flimsy ones and not stiff. I don't mind them. I am getting much more lip glosses. I know I redeemed my points for one and then this month I checked I'm getting one also and I'm super stoked. And then I can already see the sparkles in here. Let's see if they show up on the swatch. It's opaque. Not sure if I should put this on for today. Should I put on like something below? I've been loving lately putting on like a nude lip and then doing gloss, but I guess I'll put it on my lips. Let me see. Oh god, now there's some on my nose. Terrific. And then the last item I was really excited for because this is literally my item that I buy, but I don't need to buy it anymore because I've been getting hella of these lately, and it's an eyebrow pencil. So first, the spoolie is like the really rough ones, but I guess they do the job. I know rough spoolies have given me scars before. This is from Pot Beauty and it's a Peak Performance brow pencil. And let's read the color. It's Natural Brunette. And then it came in this big box, which I like because it's in it. Oh! This is like the Winky Lux one that I had gotten from Boxer Jam so long ago and I loved that one so much. Ooh, and now it's gone. Like I used it for like a year and it was gone. And then this one, let us swatch it. It'll match me, of course, because that's what Ipsy does best. And it's a nice size. You could definitely see where the spoolie is and where the pencil is, so you don't have to waste your time. Yeah, this month's like nothing disappointed me. Nothing was like, oh, I might use it, I might give it away. So that was really good, and that's why I wanted to really do this video, and I'm so glad I finally can do this video without being lazy or being called into work hours early that I don't get to film or don't get to get ready at all. Let's do a final recap. I love this. Love lip balmy kind of things. Brow pencil I will definitely be using because that's all I do. My routine is just brows, mascara, lips, and highlighter. I did eyeshadow after so many days. And then skincare I fucking love. Thank you, Ipsy. Lip gloss, I have been into lip gloss so much. By the way, this is not sticky. It feels really nice and hydrating. And then concealer, yeah, I do concealer on my daily routine also, so I needed that. Even though I have like a bunch of Colourpop ones and I do have like the LA Girl ones, but I haven't even tried those yet. And this I needed for nighttime, so that's why I redeemed my points for it. And last but not the least, I really like exfoliators, so I got this olive oil one. And stay tuned for more videos if you have any video requests, since I guess school is starting again in 3 weeks and I just finished my summer class, so I don't know why I pulled myself up for that, but I got an A, so thank you. If that means staying off YouTube for like a little bit and getting an A is perfect, so I don't mind. Here are the swatches. I will definitely see you in my next one. Stay tuned for August's video and review because I'm just gonna give you a sneak peek. The items are really good. Maybe better than these ones. Bye guys, and thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Don't forget to give it a like so I know if I need to do a tipsy August video now that I'm 21.